In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom, a versatile tool for virtual meetings and communication. Whether you're an experienced user or a beginner, these steps will guide you through scheduling, attending, and navigating a meeting. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open the Zoom desktop app. It's your starting point for arranging meetings and managing your participation. Once you have the app open, you'll typically find the option to either schedule a new meeting or create one on the spot. Scheduling a meeting is perfect for planning ahead and sending out invitations well in advance. If you need to host something more spontaneously, simply choose the option to create a new meeting. Now, once you enter the meeting, you'll want to invite participants. This is a straightforward process where you can send them an invite, either through email or directly within Zoom itself. Your invite will contain details like the meeting ID and time, ensuring that everyone knows when and how to join. As the host, you have some unique controls at your disposal. You can manage the meeting effectively using these host controls. A useful tip when managing any online meeting with numerous participants is your ability to mute everyone at once. Hit Participants in the menu, then select Mute All. This ensures that the meeting runs smoothly and distractions are kept to a minimum. Recording the session is a great way to keep a record or share it with anyone unable to attend live. To do this, simply click the Record button. Alternatively, you might want to share your screen to present materials during your meeting. This is just as simple. You'll find a Share button in the control menu that makes the process seamless. If you're attending a meeting rather than hosting, joining is easy. Start by clicking the link provided by the host. You might also need to enter a meeting ID and passcode. These are typically sent along with the invitation, so keep them handy. Don't forget to enter your name, as this is how participants will identify you during the meeting. Inside the meeting, you have control over your microphone. You can mute or unmute it depending on if you're speaking or listening. There are some interactive features in Zoom as well. By clicking Reactions, you can raise your hand or give a thumbs up to engage non-verbally during discussions. Need to communicate further? Use the chat feature to send text messages to other participants. This is especially handy for sharing links or asking questions without interrupting the speaker. Finally, once the meeting has concluded or you need to leave, simply click Leave, located in the bottom right corner of the window. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to using Zoom. With these steps, you'll be confident in hosting, attending, and participating in virtual meetings. Happy collaborating!